Hi, my name is Lila Greenstone, and today I will be reading If You Take a Mouse to School by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you take a mouse to school. If you take a mouse to school, he'll ask you for your lunchbox. When you give him your lunchbox, he'll want a sandwich and a snack for later. Then he'll need a notebook and some pencils. He'll probably want to share your backpack too. When you get to school, he'll put his things in your locker and take a look around. Anyone find the mouse? He's right over there. He might do a little math and spell a word or two. He'll even try a science experiment. Then he'll need to wash up. You'll have to take him to the bathroom. Once he's nice and clean, he'll be ready for his lunch. On the way to the lunchroom, he'll see some building blocks, and he'll build a little mouse house. Does this look like a little mouse house? No. And he'll make some furniture out of clay. Then he'll need some books for his bookshelf. He'll start by writing one of his own, so he'll need a lot of paper. He'll probably use up all of your pencils. When he's finished, he'll want to read his book to you. Then he'll want to take it home, so he'll put it in your lunchbox and tuck it in a safe place. When the bell rings, he'll run out to wait for the bus. You guys find the mouse? He's right there, in front of all the people. When he's waiting, he'll play a quick game of soccer. Then he'll ask you to shoot a few baskets and do a little skateboarding. When he stops to catch his breath, he'll want to eat his snack, so he'll ask you for your lunchbox. And chances are, if he asks you for your lunchbox, you'll have to take him back to school. So what you can learn about this book is how sometimes you go to do one thing and then you find another thing to do and another thing to do. So for example, you go on to do your homework on the computer, and then you end up on Facebook, and then you end up on Twitter, and then you check your email, and then it's 11 o'clock at night and you realize you never did your homework. So what we can learn from these books, if you give books, is that sometimes it's hard to stay on task. And it's important to remember why you started. So with this book, the mouse, it all started with a lunchbox and a mouse who just wanted to go to school. And then at the end, he's going back to school.